Hey, so I'm just eating a chocolate covered rice cake. This is an alternative that I found to eating a whole bar of chocolate, which I used to do quite easily until I decided that, do you know what, I do not want to end up like the rest of some of my family who have diabetes, and also I want to feel great in my clothes. I've got rice cake on my hair. All the way down there. I want to feel great in my clothes. I want to be able to wear what I want, but also I don't want to give up on things that I actually really enjoy, such as chocolate. So these taste really good. It's just literally just a light chocolate coating on a rice cake. You can get it from anywhere. Get it from Aldi, you can get it from Lidl's, you can get it at Tesco's, even Waitrose, anywhere. And you can also get dark chocolate ones, and they taste amazing when you put them in the fridge. This one's melting a little bit, but they taste like, when you put them in the fridge, it just gives it that little crunch. It tastes so good. So that's my tip. You don't actually have to give up anything actually when eating healthily or going on a diet. The best diets are the ones that allow you to actually, you know, have things that you actually enjoy to keep you sane and to stop you from going crazy. I know if I had to give up chocolate completely, I would like be really miserable, and I've done it before, and it wasn't a very nice feeling. So being able to eat, compromise and eat, you know, a chocolate covered rice cake as opposed to eating a whole bar of chocolate is actually so much better. So if you like this video, click like and give me a follow.